Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Shaanxi received more than 3 times the average monthly rainfall for August in just 7 days last week, with the provincial government saying precipitation had broken records in multiple localities. Several regions across China have been hit by unprecedented flooding this year. Thousands were evacuated in the Hubei and Sichuan provinces this summer because of torrential rain. China's Shaanxi province was hit by very serious flooding. As many as 50 residents were swept away by the now undiscovered floodwaters, and many cars were swept away. In addition, a number of roads were also flooded, blocking road access. The water level is around the waist of an adult. At least 12 houses in secluded China were hit by flash floods. Residents' vehicles such as motorbikes and other valuables were also submerged in mud. About 145,000 people have been evacuated from areas in Shaanxi, and 2,700 houses have collapsed. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.